You have been accepted onto the basketball team. Izzy! Yeah, Dad? Izzy, what is this? Dad, I'm not trying to have this argument again. Are you trying to ruin your life? Izzy, you should be jumping at chances like this. Basketball changed my whole life. It's the reason why we have everything we have. Look, they want you to join. Really? They want me to join? I have a question for you, Dad. How can I join something that I didn't even sign up for? I did that so you can follow in the footsteps of your father. I don't want to be anything like you. I don't want to be popular. I don't want to have to be away all the time. I don't want to be the reason why my wife leaves me and her child because she can't tolerate your ego. Dad, I'm sorry, Dad. Yeah. All right. Basketball coach. Email. I would love to join. Yeah. Izzy, what's wrong? Dad, I did it. Oh, yes. My God, you had me worried. What made you come around? I don't know. I just thought what you said the other day made sense, so I might as well just try it out, right? This is going to be the start of an amazing life. Come on. Yeah, this is the beginning of everything. Hey, you think he's going to be good as me? Oh, we know he will be. Oh, hey. Look, here comes the champ now. I'll call you back, okay? Okay. Hey, what's up, bud? Nothing. I just wanted to tell you that I can't wait for the game. Hey, how about we go over some drills before dinner time? Huh? Yeah, sure. That sounds great. All right. Why the long face, Izzy? Is everything all right? No. Actually, everything's all wrong. Anything I could do to help? Yeah, Dad. Actually make me like basketball. And find a way to get my crush. I don't think you can help me with that. Dad, It's okay, Izzy. If you didn't want to do it, you shouldn't have. You can walk away right now, and I'll still be proud of you. Dad, I didn't want to let you down. And I didn't want to lose... Lose what? Your crush? Yeah. I seen her make a post about liking guys who plays basketball. So, I joined. It's okay, though. Most likely she'll leave now. What? Look, if she likes you for you, then she's not going anywhere. And if not, then she's not the one for you anyway. I'm sorry it took me so long to come clean about the whole thing. It's fine. Even though it was just all for a girl, and you don't really like basketball. Look, you learn to stand up for yourself, and that makes me the proudest father in the world. Let's go, man.